Hello, and I'm just going to show you how to get started on making a bat file. And this is how I made the bat game. So you title bat batch game, which bat is just abbreviation for batch game, or I'm stupid, batch. And then you put color 0A, and then under that CLS echo, and then whatever you want to put. And then you put under that whatever you want to put too. But I prefer to put my last choice is exit and start. And what that does is then you put under that echo dot slash p set slash p input equals enter, go to if percent input percent equals 1, go to start. If percent input percent equals 2, go to exit. And then here's how you do it: colon exit colon start, and then exit is just exit because it just exits out of it. And since it runs on the computer, because that's what a batch file does. And start, you put echo hello. This is just going to be an example. And then under that, pause null. Pause, if I remember, it's one of the less than or greater than signs. I don't remember which it was because I'm stupid and don't remember. And then after that, you want to put CLS. Wait a minute, never mind. I don't think today. So if I look a little stupid, or not look, oh my god. If I sound really stupid, that's because I can't think. And this is basically how you make a game, or at least a quicker way. And that is all.